7 to 8 drums. Add 5 to 6 garlic cloves and teaspoon salt. Boil by adding 2 cups of water for 7 to 8 minutes until chicken tenders. Boil 1 big sized potato. Separate the chicken and clean the bones. Chop little bit. Add boiled potatoes and crushed medium-sized onion. Add spices. Add green chili paste or crushed green chilies for more spicy. Freeze for 30 minutes. First, coat with flour and then in whisked egg. Coat in breadcrumbs properly. Can be stored easily in freezer for 1 week. Fry on low flame until golden brown. Its lunchbox is ready to pack. Crispy outside and juicy inside. Yummy!